Hi, everyone! In today's video, we're talking about a simple but powerful accessory, the belt. Belts are not just functional, they can completely transform an outfit, especially for women over 50 who want to create a more defined shape while staying stylish. One of the easiest ways to use a belt is with a belted dress. It's an effortless way to define your waist, giving you a more tailored silhouette. Pair this with boots for a chic and modern look that's perfect for a day out. Whether you're running errands or meeting friends for lunch, this combo works perfectly. When it comes to hair, I love the look of loose curls with this outfit. They add a touch of softness and movement, balancing out the structure the belt creates around your waist. It's a perfect look for a casual day out while still feeling put together. The key with belts is that they're versatile. You can use them to add shape to dresses, oversized tops, or even blazers. It's an easy way to elevate any outfit and give it that extra bit of polish. So next time you feel your outfit needs a little something, try adding a belt. It might be just the accessory you need.